This is the install video for my smoothie hubcap adapters. Just want to show the new design. Comes with this backer ring that comes off pretty easily. Easy to pop back into the groove. It does come out. It's only there to keep the adapter from sliding into the hubcap when you're popping it onto a wheel. Other than that, it doesn't offer any support. When I install them, put them in the back corner, there's a part of the hubcap that protrudes up against it. I like to push the ring back over it and snap the other one in. And to install it, just put on 2 of the nubs. It's a quick push to secure it down. To remove it, just take a plastic pry tool. It pries off like a normal hubcap. Now, I'd like to show how to remove it. This new design is a little easier to remove from the hubcap. You just pop one leg, off the second, and it comes out.